Welcome to Laundry Loft. We offer professional dry cleaning service, easy access from the car park, and open for 24/7 for drop-off and collection. These are the convenient and easy steps you can complete within 3 minutes. Step 1. Select drop-off and enter your mobile number. Step 2. Select the number of items and select the processing time. Additional charges shall apply for express service. Step 3. Select the type of service and enter if you have any special note. Step 4. Select yes if you need a quote, otherwise press proceed. Read the terms and condition page, press accept to continue. Check that the summary information is correct and press next. Please step back as the door shall open. Collect your first receipt, place it in and close the laundry bag. If you need a plastic bag, please pick it up from the right. For normal bag, deposit your item here. For big bag, deposit your item at the swing door on the left. Select next and finish to close the door. You're done! For collection, select Pickup. Enter your receipt and mobile number. Press Next for payment. Finally, collect your item and put the X hook in the side pouch. Select Finish to close the door. You're done! Do follow Laundry Loft's Facebook and Instagram page for more information.